All right, this is a quick one. It's a quick one. I want to share something very, very important to us. And please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. We are not going to waste much time. I'm trying to rush this one because there's no time. Yesterday was a very busy, we had a very busy, a very long program. So, and I appreciate all of you that will join us in that in our program, which of course I informed you about it before we start. I told you that we are going to have a joint program, on 30th, and we did. So this is something that just pay attention. Like I told you, I'm going to rush it. After American airstrike, part of Sokoto State, targeting ISIS group in Nigeria, some people started using their platform, making some comment that doesn't add up, claiming that that is, they misfired, they targeted civilians, the strike, that airstrike, that they struck an empty land. Some say it's just a farm land. Nobody was there. In fact, the community that they carried that airstrike on, in fact, don't have any record of terrorism. So trying to undermine or downplay the activities of American army. Do you understand? And it's much expected because I knew that some people don't like it. You remember when America said that they're coming to Nigeria, some people use their platform, advocate that that should not happen. They're trying to, they talked against it, they preach against it. They said that Nigeria is a sovereign nation, and Nigeria doesn't have anything like this genocide, Christian genocide. No, there's nothing like that. They said, but we all know that there's a genocide going on. Anyway, some Christians begin to because of their own ideology, because of their own hate on Donald Trump. Some said because some believe that Trump is against blacks. Some somehow sympathizing terrorism, but they don't want to come out publicly to claim that or to stand on it boldly. But some of the comment and the utterances, coming from people, you understand where they're headed to. The reason behind Donald Trump bombing the so-called ISIS hideout in Nigeria with no evidence is clear. It's clear to many, but unclear to some. Now, this lady here, I don't know where she come from. This is how they will pretend, because they believe that speaking good English simply means that you are making more sense. This is the kind of people that, got me talking. When I listen to some people like this, I will feel like, okay, let's talk about you, because people will see you talking, they think that you are making sense without knowing that you are a bunch of garbage. Now, what is, so you understand what I'm talking about?
This, but I need to say this as calmly as I can, because some of you are getting on my last God-given nerves. Donald Trump's launch of airstrikes on northern Nigeria had absolutely nothing to do with saving Christians. It was never his intention. It is clear that it was a show of dominance and power for an absolutely different ulterior motive. I need you to start to critically think and ask serious questions like, why did Trump target these specific communities in Sokoto State, in northern Nigeria, which have experienced zero or little terrorist incidents? Listen in.
We have spoken to a journalist on the ground in Sokoto who said to us that one of the communities hit by the strikes has never reported any incident of terror, and that the two communities hit simultaneously. There is only expected to be one where maybe potentially some hideouts of IS-affiliated fighters have been hit. Still very unclear, but in the community that has never reported any terror, they haven't had any casualties, but some homes of civilians have been partially...
Now you heard that. One of those three communities experienced no terrorism. The other one is another one. Maybe has had some. You think you bombed Nigerians on a freaking maybe? On a maybe. You damaged homes. You hurt Nigerians on a maybe. Are you asking yourselves, why did he launch airstrikes on those other northern Nigerian states that are rife with terrorists? Kanu, Plateau, Bornu. all of these other ones that we constantly hear about terrorist attacks. Why go to specific communities in Sokoto that have the zero or little? Why? Because this is part of a calculated strategy. A calculated strategy to weaponize the murder and persecution of Nigerian Christians and Muslims to further America's capitalist interests. Because if you don't know, America has been funding Boko Haram and ISIS, and have always known that these terrorist groups kill, murder, and rape, and did nothing to stop them because it suited their agenda. So right now, when they're swooping in as savior, nah, it's not because they care. It's because it's to further their capitalist interests. And two, they're using Sokoto State as the backdoor to Burkina Faso, Niger, and Mali. You know, the new axis of African power that is shaking the West to its very core. The West see it as a threat to its access to African resources and as a threat to the West's dominance on African people.
All right, you heard it clear, right? This is somebody, right, trying to, maybe she have followers, I don't know, because the person that made this post is not, this is not her own handle. Saying what you don't know, okay, is different from saying what you know, but you want to pass an agenda. Two different things. People can wake up and yap nonsense simply because they believe that there are some people, you know, group of people listen to them, that they can deceive those who they can deceive and get away with it. So this is Joseph Okechukwu responding to this post, said, who fed this rated pathetic souls with all these lies, for goodness sake? Go to my TL and see videos. First, the Nigerian Minister of Information confirmed the right targets were hit with 0 civilian casualties. Then Arise TV going on the ground to speak with local who confirmed every claim of Trump's, that the terrorists were tied, that indeed the operational base was there, and that the surviving ones were on the run. National TV. If Nigerian admitted it, share intelligence, and if Nigerian admitted it, shared intelligence and coordinated with USA, what is the last about terrorists not being present in that location? Very, very sick people. TDS patient, tag her. I don't know who she is, to be honest with you. A lot of people begin to bombard them with facts and figures, telling them what it is, the outcome of the whole thing. And here it is.
State have reported seeing terrorists fleeing forests after attacks by the United States. The Nigerian government and the United States had struck several forests, including Kawuri, Kandam, and Malgam, where the Lakura terrorists are based. Reports say several of the terrorists were killed and their properties destroyed.
Now, I'm not going to play this. This is a 9-minute something video because I'm rushing the video because I want to make it as snap as possible. This is a confirmation from Nigerian media telling you that truly they carried that airstrike, and the target was hit. So it's not as if they have to quick off the story to make it look like it's just, you know, a waste of time. Nobody did anything. Here is another news from I think Arise TV as well. Many people have rated on it, Good TV, and this guy, all of them have rated on it. He said, local eyewitness in Masalachi in Sokoto State confirmed seeing terrorists flee neighboring forest after US airstrike in terrorist den. And one thing these people don't know is that you cannot expect them to just tie a community that terrorists are going there to carry out, attack. You want Americans to airstrike those places. You should target their base and where they keep the equipment. You are a reporter, if at all you are. You are not a military man that knows the intelligence and where they're going to carry that. And why I have confidence in this one, because of America. Ordinarily, I know that Nigerian army cannot do that. Not that they're not capable of doing that. They're capable of doing that, but they cannot do that because it's always Why must I buy someone from my place? Remember what happened when the Hejrika was in charge of CDS, I believe, carrying out airstrike to eliminate Boko Haram back then. And Northerners said that the plan of the Boko Haram is actually an attack on Boko Haram is an attack on the North. You remember that famous claim? Now listen.
That is
Start from the beginning.
Government area, Masalachi in Tangaza local government area. A resident of Masalachi in Tangaza local government area in Sokoto State say they saw terrorists fleeing neighboring forests after the Christmas Day strikes by the United States military. The residents confirmed that several of the terrorists were killed by the strikes on Terrori, Kandam, and Malgam, and their hideouts destroyed, are calling for more presence of security forces to wipe out the terrorists from their enclaves.
Behind me is Terrori. It is an international road that leads to Sahel countries like Niger, Burkina Faso, and Mali. And while it opens up business opportunities for Nigerians and other West Africans, its boundaries have become a haven for Lakurawa terrorists who often attack neighboring communities. Terrori is a long and lonely road.
Now, this is a video to online ISIS sympathizers, online bandit sympathizers, that usually comes out to say, oh, it hit an open farmland. There was nothing. Why Sokoto? Is there anything in Sokoto? At least you can see for yourself, Abi. You can see for yourself. This is from an eyewitness, according to Arise. Except maybe you have a bigger platform or a bigger intelligence that is bigger than this, then you can now bring up a countable. But funny enough, just like I call them, online bandits, online ISIS sympathizers.
I'm going to end it here. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Maybe you're going to go in detail on this because I'm actually rushing to get this done before my next line of action. I want to engage myself with other things. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Do not believe anybody telling you that the airstrike was just, wasted effort. There's nothing happened. It's a lie. The video of the outcome or aftermath of that airstrike, people are circulating it. I cannot share it here. All right. If you go to our WhatsApp group, it is even there. So please let me know and subscribe to the channel in case if you're new. God bless you. Take care of yourself.